welcome to episode 6 of Flow's Fundamentals. In this episode, we will be considering the essentials for adding the green booster deck. First fundamental rule that the green booster deck adds is there are now half-color bunnies. These bunnies can be used to form triplets with either of the colors. The other fundamental mechanic that the green booster deck adds is the zodiac cards. Whenever you draw a zodiac card, you should set it off to the side immediately, along with your save specials and Dala. During the game, specific cards such as Communicator's or Zodiac Terminator interact with having them, and having 3 of the same type, or 3 consecutive, allows you to play 2 cards per turn, like a bunny triplet. So they have a few effects during the game, but typically they won't do much. Rather, their main advantage comes at the end of the game. At the end of the game, before the revealing of the winning carrot, one of the zodiacs in the small deck is revealed to be the winner. If a player has that zodiac, he may reposition any one bunny. This is often critical since perhaps one opponent only has one bunny, so therefore you can make them not have a bunny. Or perhaps you didn't have a bunny, so now you will have a bunny. If the zodiac also happens to be the current zodiac, based on the date, or the player's birth zodiac, he may also take 3 carrots from the opponents with the most. And finally, if the zodiac happens to be both the current and the birth zodiac, that player may steal all but 1 carrot from every opponent, making it quite likely that they will win the game. This has been episode 6 of Flow's Fundamentals, looking at the essentials of the green booster deck. And as always, Jeff bless.